Snack time again! Dora and Diego double feature time. First up, Dora helps Diego. Then, after that story, stay tuned for Dora in the Deep Sea. Dora the Explorer. Dora helps Diego. Hi, I am Dora. Diego, Boots, and I need your help. Oh no! Baby Jaguar is missing. Diego cannot find him. Boots and I are helping Diego find him. Will you help too? Great! Help us find Baby Jaguar. Look up in that tree. I see a tail. Baby Jaguar has a tail. Does it belong to Baby Jaguar? No, it is a snake getting out of the sun. Where is Baby Jaguar? Look behind those flowers. I see feet. Baby Jaguar has feet. Do they belong to Baby Jaguar? No, it is Isa working in her garden. Where is Baby Jaguar? Look behind that tree trunk. I see whiskers. Baby Jaguar has whiskers. Do those whiskers belong to Baby Jaguar? No, it is Swiper, that sneaky fox. Where is Baby Jaguar? Look behind the slide. I see spots. Baby Jaguar has spots. Do they belong to Baby Jaguar? No, it is the scarf that belongs to Benny. Will we ever find Baby Jaguar? We need to go back to the Animal Rescue Center. We open the door. We cannot believe it. We see a tail, feet, whiskers, and spots. Here is Baby Jaguar. Diego is so happy. We found Baby Jaguar. Thanks for helping. Dora the Explorer. Dora in the Deep Sea. Hi, I am Dora. This is Boots. And here is our friend, Pirate Pig. Pirate Pig looks sad. What is wrong, Pirate Pig?
I have lost my treasure chest,
says Pirate Pig.
The treasure chest fell off my ship and into the sea.
Boots and I will help Pirate Pig find his treasure chest. Will you help too? We need something to take us down into the sea. What can take us into the sea? A submarine can take us down into the sea. Oh, we are going down into the sea. Look, a sandcastle. Hello, King Crab. There is a fish with spots by the rock. I see a starfish and a funny clownfish. Boots spots a green turtle. Pirate Pig sees yellow seahorses. Oh no! Here come some lobsters. They will try to pinch the submarine with their claws. We drove the submarine past the lobsters. Now we need to find the treasure chest. Hooray! We found the treasure chest. But we have to watch out for Swiper. He will try to swipe the treasure chest. Do you see Swiper? Look! Swiper is behind the whale. He is going to swipe the treasure chest. We have to say, Swiper no swiping. You helped us stop Swiper. Yay! Pirate Pig has his treasure chest. Thank you for helping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And for more Diego stories, check out my Go Diego Go playlist. And if you enjoyed both these stories, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.